In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Google Calendar app on Windows 11 the easy way, so you can open it like a desktop app right from your start menu. This is a great option if you want quicker access to your calendar, fewer browser tabs, and a more app-like experience while staying synced with your Google account. If this video helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. You can use either browser, but in this video I'll be showing you the process from Chrome since that gives you the easiest install option for Google Calendar as a web app. Next, go to calendar.google.com. You can type that directly into the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, you'll be taken to Google Calendar's sign-in screen if you're not already logged in. Now sign in to your Google account, enter your email address and password, then complete any verification steps if Google asks you to. Once you're signed in, your calendar will load and you'll be looking at your events, schedule, and calendar controls just like normal. At this point, if you're using Google Chrome, look at the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. From there, go to Cast, Save, and Share. In that menu, choose Install Page as App. This option tells Chrome to turn the website into a desktop-style app that you can launch separately from the browser. When the install window appears, click Install. Chrome will create the Google Calendar app on your Windows 11 system. After a moment, the app should open in its own window, and you'll notice it looks cleaner and more like a real desktop application. Once installed, Google Calendar will also be available from the Start menu. That means you can simply click Start, search for Google Calendar, and open it anytime without needing to type the website again. You can also pin it to your taskbar if you want even faster access. If you use Microsoft Edge instead of Chrome, you may still be able to create a similar app experience depending on your browser settings. But Chrome is the most straightforward method for this specific install process. And that's it. You've now installed Google Calendar on Windows 11 as a desktop app. It's fast, convenient, and perfect if you want easy access to your schedule every day. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Windows 11 tips, and I'll see you in the next one.